Hi friends, hope all are doing well. Today we'll discuss about 5S methodology. The 5S methodology is a fundamental tool in modern management and manufacturing sector for promoting a clean, organized and efficient work environment. Let's have a look at the agenda. Today we will cover what is 5S methodology, process of 5S methodology which include sort or seri, set in order or seton, shine or shisho, standardize or seketsu, sustain or seketsuke. Then benefit of 5S methodology and how to measure success after implementing 5S. History. 5S originated in conjunction with the Toyota production system. It quickly gained popularity worldwide as a simple yet effective method for eliminating waste from the manufacturing process. 5S is a system to reduce waste and optimize productivity through maintaining an orderly workplace and using visual clues to achieve more consistent operational result. It's typically the first lean method. Now, have a look at the 5S process step by step. Sort or seri. Sort or seri is the first step in 5S process. It focuses on eliminating unnecessary items from the workplace to create a more efficient and organized environment. Implementing sort and seri sets the foundations for the subsequent steps in 5S process. By removing unnecessary items, create a more organized and efficient workplace, which can lead to improved productivity and safety. The objective of SORT is reduce clutter, improve efficiency, and enhance safety. Next, the action plan to implement SORT or SERI in workplace. Identify unnecessary items. Go through all the items in the workplace and determine which ones are not needed. This includes tools, materials, equipment, and paperwork. Remove unnecessary items. Dispose of, recycle, or relocate items that are not required. Items that cannot be removed immediately can be placed in a designated red tag area for later evaluation. Categorize item. Group items based on their frequency of use. Items used frequently should be easily accessible, while rarely used item can be stored away from the workstation. Next is set in order or set on. Set in order or set on is the second step in 5S process. It focuses on organizing and arranging necessary items so that they are easy to find and use. By implementing set in order or set on, you create a more organized and efficient workplace, which can lead to improved productivity and safety. This step also lays the foundation for the next step in 5S process. The objective of set in order are enhance efficiency, improve workflow, and reduce waste. The action plan to implement set in order are organize item, arrange tools, equipment, and materials based on their frequency of use. Frequently used items should be placed close to the work area, while rarely used items can be stored further away. Label and identify. Use label, color coding, visual clues to identify where the items belong. This helps in quickly locating and returning items to their designated places. Create storage solution. Implement storage solutions such as shelves, racks, and bins to keep items organized. Ensure that the storage area are easily accessible and not obstructed. Next is sign or CISO. Sign or CISO is the third step in 5S process. It focuses on cleaning the workplace and maintaining its cleanliness. By implementing Shine or CISO, you create a more pleasant and efficient work environment. This step also helps in maintaining the improvements made in the previous step of 5S process. The objective of Sign or CISO are maintain cleanliness, inspect regularly, promote ownership. Action plan for the implementation of Sign are clean thoroughly. Regularly clean the workplace, including floors, equipment, and tools. This helps in maintaining a tidy and safe work environment. Inspect during cleaning. Use the cleaning process as an opportunity to inspect equipment and tools for any sign of wear or damage. This proactive approach helps in identifying issues before they become major problems. Establish cleaning routines. Develop and follow a cleaning schedule to ensure that all areas are cleaned consistently. Assign specific cleaning tasks to employees to promote accountability. Standardize or Shiketsu. Standardize or Shiketsu is the fourth step in 5S process. It focuses on establishing standards and routines to maintain the organized and cleanliness achieved in the previous three steps. By implementing standardized or Shiketsu, you create a stable foundations for maintaining and improvements made in the previous steps. This step ensures that the benefit of 5S process are sustained over time. Objective of standardize. Ensure consistency, promote accountability, action to implement fourth step that is standardize or Shiketsu. Develop standard operating procedure or SOPs. Document the best practices for sorting, organizing, and cleaning the workplace. These procedures should be clear and easy to follow. Create visual controls. Use visual aids such as chart, checklist, and labels to reinforce the standards. This helps employees quickly understand what needs to be done and where items belong. Implement regular audits. Conduct regular inspections to ensure that the standards are being followed. Use audit results to identify areas for improvement and provide feedback to employees. Sustain or Shitsuke is the fifth and final step in 5S process. It focuses on maintaining and continuously improving the standard established in the previous steps. By implementing Sustain or Shitsuke, it ensures that the 5S process become an integral part of the organization's culture. This step helps in maintaining the improvement made in the previous steps and promote a culture of continuous improvement. Objective of Sustain are ensure long-term success, promote continuous improvement, and foster discipline. Action step for implementation of Sustain. Training and educations. Provide regular training to employees on the 5S principles and their importance. Regular audits and inspections. Conduct regular audits to ensure that the 5S standards are being followed. Use the audit results to identify areas for improvement and provide feedback. Encourage employees involvement. Involve employees in the 5S process by encouraging them to suggest improvements and take ownership of their work areas. Recognition and rewards. Recognize and rewards employees who consistently follow the 5S principles and contribute to maintaining a clean and organized workplace. Now, have a look at the benefit of 5S to have clear vision why one should implement 5S in his or her organization. It enhances productivity and efficiency, reduce waste by eliminating unnecessary items and organizing the workplace. 5S help reduce waste and streamline operations. Improved workflow. A well-organized workplace ensures that tools and materials are easily accessible, reducing the time spent searching for items. Next, improve safety hazard reductions. Regular cleaning and organizations help identify and eliminate potential hazards, creating a safer work environment. Accident prevention. A TD workplace reduces the risks of accidents and injuries, thus make workplace more safer to work. Better quality. 5S also help in gaining better quality of work. Consistent standard. Standardizing process ensure that the tasks are performed consistently, leading to higher quality outcomes. Early problem detections. Regular inspections during the cleaning process help identify issues before they become major problems. 5S also help to increase morale of employees, enhance ownership and responsibility. Involving employees in the 5S process foster a sense of ownership and pride in their work environment. Positive work environment. A clean and organized workplace contributes to a more pleasant and motivating work atmosphere. Cost saving is also one of the major benefits of 5S. Reduce inventory cost. By keeping only necessary items, organizations can reduce inventory cost and free up valuable space. Lower maintenance cost. Regular inspections and maintenance help prevent equipment breakdowns and extend the lifespan of tools and machinery. Highways helps to create foundation for continuous improvement. Culture of improvement. Fiveways promotes a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging employees to identify and implement improvements regularly. Sustainable practice. The sustain step ensure the improvements made are maintained over time, leading to long-term benefits. Also look at the additional tips for successful implementation of 5S. Start small. Begin with a pilot project in a specific area before expanding to other parts of the organizations. Measure success. Establish clear metrics to track the progress and effectiveness of 5S implementations. Continuous improvements. Regularly review and refine the 5S practice to ensure they remain effective. How to measure success after implementing 5S? Measuring the success of a 5S implementation is crucial to ensure its effectiveness and identify areas for improvements. Here are some key metrics and methods to evaluate the success of 5S. Define measurable goals. Establish specific and measurable goals that align with the organization's objectives. Set targets for improvements in areas such as productivity, safety, and quality. Next, conduct regular audits and inspections of the workplace. Ensure compliance with 5S standards. Perform regular audits to check adherence to the 5S principles. Use checklist and scorecard to evaluate the workplace. Track key performance indicators, that is KPI, which is the main things to set target of 5S implementations. Cycle time reductions. Measure the time it takes to complete the tasks before and after 5S implementation. A reduction in cycle time indicates improved efficiency. Inventory level and waste reductions. Monitor inventory level and waste generation. Effective 5S implementation should lead to better inventory management and reduced waste. Safety incidents. Track the number of safety incidents or near misses. A decrease in incidents suggests a safer work environment. Employee engagement. Measure employees' participation in 5S activities and their feedback. High engagement levels indicate a positive impact on morale. Automate where possible. Streamline the measurement process, else it will not be easy to track the success. Use software tools to automate data collection and analysis. This helps in tracking progress and identifying trends over a period of time. Allow sufficient time for change to realize full potential. Do not rush to conclusion or implementations. Ensure that improvements are sustainable. Give the 5S process enough time to show results. Regularly review and adjust the implementation as needed. The last one is visual management. Make progress visible to everyone, which keep the pupil motivated. Use visual controls such as charts, graphs, and boards to display the key metrics and progress. This helps in maintaining transparency and motivation. Thank you. That's all from today. To get regular updates about different audit standards and regulations, please do like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.